Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi A3 Sportback Edition 1 finished in the modern Mythos Black metallic paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a petrol engine with 150 PS and a manual transmission, delivering impressive fuel efficiency. The top features include the striking matrix LED headlights that animate when the car is unlocked, paired with dynamic front and rear indicators for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels with Audi Sport badging on the alloys, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, black roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and A3 badging, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 380 litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo for the extra touch of style. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious part leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and embossed front part leather seats that are electrically adjustable. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the dual zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a storage compartment with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear stick, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.